We'll guide you through how to clean up your Gmail inbox. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Gmail. So you're finding that your inbox is just cluttered and you're finding it hard to go and navigate, and so you want to go and clean it up. We're going to guide you through some different things you can do in order to do this, so make sure it's full guide and we can go and get right into this. First of all, you want to head to the top right of Gmail. There you can go and press on the gear or cog icon just here. Go and press See All Settings, come into General. You want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find the option for Smart Features. Tick this on. When you turn this setting on, you agree to let Gmail, Chat and Meet use your content activity to go and provide smart features and personalize your experience. Then when you return to your inbox, you're going to go and find it will start being separated by promotions, social and updates. So going forward, this makes it much easier to manage. Now to go and start cleaning this up, first of all, what I like to do is go and make all these emails red, as I've got 567. So press select in the top left, then you can press select all. And then what you want to do is go to the top here and you can go and press mark as red, like so. We'll go and press OK. This will then go mark them all as red. It may take a bit of time here, it does say, so be patient while this completes. Next, you can start deleting and clearing emails. So if you just want to go and delete everything in your inbox, what you can do is go and press select in the top left. Then you can go and press select all, and you could go and delete them all like this. When you delete them, you'll then need to go to your bin and empty them. We'll do that in a moment. But what I prefer to do is just delete them from certain companies, because sometimes certain companies email you loads and it builds up. For example, Google. So you can right click on an email from the company you want to do this with, find the option, find emails from, and you can click there and it'll then find them. You can press the select all at the top. Now what you need to do is go and change from most relevant to most recent. When you do that, select them all again, and then we can press select all, and that will go and select them all, as there's a lot here. And then what we can do is go and delete them. So you can press delete at the top, confirm your decision, go and wait. Once again, if there's a lot, it'll take a bit of time for this to complete, so you need to go and wait. When you're ready though, you can press more to the left, go down and press bin. Then you can go and press empty bin now, and you can go and delete them all. Wait for them to all move first though. If there's another type of email you want to delete, for example, certain ones within a date range or something like that, you can go to the top and you can press show search options, and you could then go and delete all the emails in a certain time frame, which include a certain word or a certain size or have an attachment as well. You can then go and create the filter or just search for it, and then you can go and select them all as we showed you before, and you can go and start deleting them all or marking them as red or however you want to. Hopefully now you've managed to go and clear up your inbox. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.